Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to solve target sum in Leetcode. So here you are given an array nums and a target, okay? And you'll have to add either plus or minus before every array elements such that it will yield this target. Summation of that particular will yield us this target, and we have to find number of such ways. Okay, for example, for given nums 2 and 1, you can add plus in front of 2 and minus in front of 1, which will yield 1. And if target was 1, this will yield us one such way. Okay. Similarly, if you can add again sorry, plus 1 and minus 2, that will yield minus 1. And if minus 1 was our target, then it will yield one such result. And as you can see in the constraint, this target can be negative also. This was one such thing which I ignored in first run, and I was not able to solve this question when 2 3 test cases were getting failed. But now when I saw the constraint, I was able to solve it, and I will help you solve this too. So this question is exactly similar to count count subset with given sum. Okay, if you are coming after watching Aditya Verma's approach or any other such thing, so this will help you understand better in Python. Okay, so first of all, I will create a variable which will yield the sum of this nums array. Apart from that, I will add this target in this total variable. Cool. Now we'll check if this total plus a sum is you know odd. That should not yield as odd, because that will you will not be able to bifurcate it, divide it into two. Cool. So if that's the case, if total is total mod 2 equal 1, or there's one such thing, which was when the target is negative. Cool. Or sum of nums less than absolute target. We are taking absolute because it can be negative also, and in that case return 0. Else return subset is nums and total by 2 and length of nums. Cool. Now I will populate this function subset array as n, as is sum, and n is the length of this array. I will create this db, initialize it 0 range plus 1 for range plus 1. Now I will fill the first row and first column for I in range n plus 1 I 0. So you can anyways do this in one go, but I'll have to populate beforehand. That is what I'm doing. I just want our table to be in the utmost desired format, and then we can start writing the DP. So, or we can say applying the knapsack, since all these are the variation of bounded knapsack. Now, starting from 1 because I've already taken the first. Okay, for here, now for chain range, we have. Okay. If we are able to take this element, which is, adding this element will lead us towards term, then we'll include it. That's what I'm checking over here. If that's the case, I minus 1, j minus array I minus 1. Cool. Let's dp I minus 1. If that's the case, we can include it. Well and good. If not, take the preceding one, because as of now it may not be able to, but we need to find all, not if. That is what I'm adding this over here. Okay, dpi minus 1 and j. As we know, at the end we just need to return the last cell of the table, that is minus 1 in Python, and it should do a job. Let me run it first to check if there's any error or such thing. No, it is getting accepted. Let me submit it for you. Yeah, it does the job. So right now it's taking 82.5 percentage, but earlier I solved in it did solved in half time. Memory is almost same, but runtime was little bit slower. I mean, that's what late code does sometimes. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. Have a nice day.